Hi everyone. Today's video it's a bit different. It's not a tutorial or a process video, and I'm not here to share my knowledge in any way. It's more of a slow moment, a conversation between you and me and summer. I want to talk about how summer feels as an artist, how it rushes in, fills every sense, and stirs up this urge to pause and paint everything, but also just to be still. So, if you're feeling a bit torn between soaking it all in slowly and scrambling to hold on to it, same here. You step outside and there's light everywhere. Not just brightness, but that warm, glowing kind of light that makes leaves look like stained glass. The flowers don't whisper, they shout. They are bright. And smells, cut grass, sunscreen, even the way earth smells after morning watering, that's a palette of its own. It's everywhere. Inspiration is everywhere in summer. You don't need to go chasing it, just stand still and it'll come to you. Sometimes I just want to stop everything. Leave the camera, leave even my sketchbook. But here's the thing. As an artist, especially one who works from reference photos and loves storytelling through painting, there is a little voice that says, take the picture, capture the light, make a note of the shadows. You'll want this later, it won't stay like this. And it's right. We know how it goes. One day it's full bloom. Next thing you know, the petals drop, the light shifts, summer starts to pull away before you realize it's going. I feel like time pressing in. One part of me is saying, go out early, sketch in the wild, take hundreds of photos, squeeze it all in. Another part of me, maybe the wiser part, is saying, slow down, Let summer be what it is. You don't have to catch every moment, just be in it. There's a small ache in summer that I think we all feel, because we know it's not forever. We know the golden evenings will get slowly shorter. But maybe the point of summer isn't to preserve it. Maybe it's just to experience it fully, but not forever. Just for now. So yes, take your photos, sketch your quick studies, keep your references, but also lie in the grass without your phone. Smell the air after it rains and don't think about painting it. Just live in it. And when autumn comes, you will carry it in your work anyway, not in exact shapes and colors, but in how it made you feel. So if you're like me, torn between slowing down and capturing everything, that's okay. You don't have to choose, you can do both. Paint some days, watch other days, click photos some mornings, wander with empty hands on others. Let inspiration come in loud and soft, urgent and slow. Because seasons shift, but you're always an artist. And every experience, whether painted or not, is a part of what you carry into your work. So here's to summer, to the light, the heat, the chaos of it, and the things we'll paint and the things we won't. And to trusting that inspiration will always find us as long as we stay open. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. It's a bit different from my usual format of my videos, so I would love to know your feedback. Did you enjoy watching snippets from my summer experience as well as my artwork of the little apples from my garden? And do you share the same sentiments about changing seasons, especially about summer as we are getting to colder seasons now? I would love to know how you feel, so please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next time.